Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device is rooted and your root manager is installed. This gives Zarchiver privileged file access. Open Zarchiver, go to Settings and enable root access so the app can read system directories. Once done, back up the specific folders you'll modify and jot down original permissions and ownership. This prevents accidental lockouts. You're not installing random add-ons. This step ensures you can traverse protected paths and safely undo changes if anything goes wrong. You now use Zarchiver's root mode to navigate the actual file system root. Tap the menu and choose the root path /. Make sure you move carefully into System, Data, or App folders. These are sensitive. When opening or extracting archives, pick Extract as root and enable Preserve Permissions so files keep correct owners and modes. Once done, choose an overwrite policy that won't erase unexpected files. This gives you control and prevents accidental deletions while applying changes precisely where needed. You finish by verifying ownership and file permissions for everything you changed. Incorrect owners can break apps. After edits to system-level files, reboot to ensure changes apply and monitor app behavior and system logs. If something goes wrong, restore your backup immediately or revert using your root manager. That's your fastest recovery. One troubleshooting tip: if apps crash, check permissions first. Most failures trace to wrong owner or mode, and correcting those usually restores functionality without a full reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.